I'm going to discuss Oxford Advanced Learner Dictionary of Current English, class number 4, is written by S Hornby. We'll proceed from the word. I have collection of words, some words I will discuss in this class. We'll proceed from the word object. When it is adjective, their meaning is, it has two meaning: the terrible and without hope, or something bad experienced. Something bad experienced or present to the maximum degree, बहुत कष्ट, abject poverty, abject misery, or abject failure means very what is called bad. Look at the example also. He died in abject poverty in 1961 at the age of 57. ସେ 1961 ମସିହାରେ ପ୍ରୋଭର୍ଟିରେ ଏକ୍ସପାୟାର କରିଗଲେ, ମରିଗଲେ ଏଟ୍ ଦି ଏଜ୍ ଅଫ୍ 57। ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେତେବେଳକୁ 57 ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଥାଏ। Terrible and without hope, there is no hope. When we say abject failure, there is no hope. So abject poverty means it's a maximum degree of poverty that no one can live. Just like you can also feel the examples also. Example of Sudama in the Sri Krishna serial. He is living in a abject poverty. So there he could not so no one can what is called to recover them, to save them. So it's abject poverty, abject misery, and abject failure. So we'll proceed to the what is called next meaning: without any pride, respect for yourself. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମକୁ ନିଜକୁ ସମ୍ମାନ ମିଳିବ ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କୁହାଯିବ? ଆବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆପୋଲୋଜି, ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ। ୱିଦାଉଟ୍ ଏନି ପ୍ରାଇଡ୍, ନିଜ ଗର୍ବ ରେସ୍ପେକ୍ଟକୁ ହରେଇକି ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ? ତୁମେ ଆପୋଲୋଜି ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ କରିବ। ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ କଲ୍ଡ ଆବଜେକ୍ଟ ଆପୋଲୋଜି. ଆପୋଲୋଜି ମିନ୍ସ ରିକ୍ୱେଷ୍ଟ. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is abjure. Sorry, abjure. Abjure means abjure means to promise publicly that you will give of तुम परित्याग करिदबो or reject a belief or way of behaving. Abjure means to promise publicly that you will give up. ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବରେ ତୁମେ ପରିତ୍ୟାଗ କରିଦେବ ଆଉ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ଏ ବିଲିଭ୍, ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସକୁ ତୁମେ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛ, ବା ତୁମ ୱେ ଅଫ୍ ବିହେଭିୟରିଂ, ୱେ ଅଫ୍ ବିହେଭିଂ, ତୁମ ୱେ ଅଫ୍ ବିହେଭିଂକୁ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହୁଁଛ, ତାହେଲେ କ'ଣ ହେବ? ଆବିଓର ମିନ୍ସ ରିଜେକ୍ଟ। ଟୁ ପ୍ରମିସ୍ ପବ୍ଲିକଲି, ଡିକ୍ଲେୟାର କରିବା, ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଗିଭ୍ ଅପ୍, ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଆବଜୋର୍ ମାଇ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କିଂ ହ୍ୟାବିଟ୍, ଆଇ ୱିଲ୍ ଆବଜୋର୍ ମାଇ ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କିଂ, ମୋର ଡ୍ରିଙ୍କିଂକୁ ମୁଁ ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଉଛି। So synonym is reject or renounce. Synonymy means SYN means synonymy, shortened form of synonymy, abbreviation of synonymy. Sorry, abbreviation of synonymy is what is called abjure ro kon abjure rohuchi renounce. What is called abjure ro renounce or reject. That means we proceed to another word, that is ablaze. When it is verb, it is also two meaning, three meaning we'll discuss. Synonym is on fire, ନିଆଁ ଲଗେଇଦେବା. ablaze means ନିଆଁ ଲଗେଇଦେବା. set ablaze, he set ablaze on fire. So synonym is on fire, a flame, use synonym. So we'll proceed. Ablaze means burning quickly and strongly. burning quickly and strongly. बहुत माने what is called quickly এবং strongly what is called जळेबाकू ता कोन कहजो? ablaze को हबो. The whole building, look at the example, the whole building was soon ablaze. Ablaze means burning quickly, पाउंस हो गेला, जळी पाउंस हो जिबा. The whole building was soon ablaze. And we'll do, what is the second sentence? The car and buses were set ablaze during the riot. The car and the buses were set ablaze during the riot. ଦଙ୍ଗାରେ କାର ଆଉ ବସ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ କ'ଣ କରାଗଲା? ଜଳେଇ ଦିଆଗଲା. So ablaze means burning quickly and strongly. We will proceed to the next what is called next word, next definition of ablaze, that is full of bright color. That is full of bright color. So there were lights still ablaze as they drove off the house. I think you will understand the second question. The trees were ablaze with the color of spring. Spring माने what is called spring? Spring होची बसंत ऋतु. बसंत ऋतु रे ट्री कौन करे ablaze हुए, जली उठे. जली माने भरपूर, looking bright or light color. That is called the color of spring. बसंत ऋतु रे गछ गुड़िक कौन ब्राइट लाइट कलर देखा जाती, माने नुआ नुआ पत्र आसी थाए. So what is called? So it is full of bright light colors, means ablaze. We will proceed to the next word, next definition. Full strong emotion or excitement को भी मध्य ablaze करा जाय परिबो. Ablaze को यूज करि हबो. Ablaze रो third meaning is full strong emotion and excitement. It is a full strong of emotion and excitement, that is called ablaze. He turned to her, से बुली पड़िले, and her eyes ablaze with anger. ता आखि रागरे झलसुतिला. Ablaze with anger. He turned to her, से तांको आडको बुली पड़िले, एवं her eyes ablaze with anger. तांको आखि रागरे कोन थिला जळुतिला, झलसुतिला. So we have studied what is called three meaning of a word, that is ablaze. First one we have studied what is called, first one is burning quickly, strongly, the whole building soon ablaze. I am पढ़िले. Second meaning, second sentence meaning होची, second meaning is full of bright color, and third meaning is the third one we have studied the full strong emotion or excitement. He turned to her and her eyes ablaze with anger. Then we will proceed to the next word, that is called able. We know able माने पारिबा, capable, capacity कथा कहा जाइछि. It's a adjective use, also used as a modal verb to have the skill or intelligence or opportunity, etc. needed to do something. Able, I can able to do something. So it's impossible. Can able was पारिबो नाही. Will you able to come? तुम्हें आसीबो कि? Able is used as instead of can. Will you able to come? तुम्हें आसी पारिबो कि? So its opposite is unable. Here is able, abler and ablest. When it is talking about intelligent or good at something, he is the best or ablest student. He is the ablest students in the class. सबुठारु पारिबा student. Pariba means it is the best students. Able, or ablest. It's a degree of comparative adjective. We will proceed to the next word, that is called able-bodied. Able-bodied means he has able-bodied, means he is physically strong. It is talking about physical healthy, fit and strong, in the contrast to somebody who is weak and disabled. Able-bodied means he is a physically what is called, he is physically able body. Able body means physically healthy, fit and strong, in the contrast to who somebody is disabled person or weak, disabled. So what is the adverb? Adverb is ably. Ably means skillful and well. Adverb is skillful and well. We were ably assisted by the team of volunteers. We were ably assisted by the teams of volunteers. Able adjective होची, adverb होची ably. We are ably assisted. Adverb माने verb को modify करिवो. So what is called adjective is noun को modify करिवो. Adverb is verb को is modify करिवो. माने verb विषय अधिक किछि कहइबो. We were able, were माने आमे थिलु. से able टा कहा विषय कहउची, were विषय कहउची. To modify the were माने थिलु. We were ably assisted. Verb को modify करछि. Main verb किए? Assisted. So here able is helping, what is called, giving much emphasis to assisted. We were able to assisted by the team of volunteers. କେମିତି ଆସିଷ୍ଟେଡ୍ ହେଲୁ? ଏବିଲି ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ, ସ୍କିଲଫୁଲି ଆଣ୍ଡ ୱେଲ୍. So it is adverb use. And look at this also. Here you can also find a noun use also. Ableist student. Look at here. Student होची कौन noun. Ableist कहाँ को modify कला? Noun को कला. So it's adjective. And yes, here is it is adverb. Adverb means it is modified to the main verb, assisted. So we'll proceed to the next word, that is abroad. Abroad means on a ship. Abroad means a ship or plane, bus or train, etc. Synonym is on board. On board होची synonym. The plane crashed, killing all 157 passengers on board. Passenger board, on board, sorry, here is on board. The plane crashed, killing all members, all 157 passenger on board means एका सांगरे समस्त मारिदेला. On board means on a ship. Ship रे बसिथिबा total लोक, plane, bus, etc. We'll proceed to the next word, that is abode. Abode means a singular use. It is generally used a noun, singular noun. This place where somebody live. गोटे जगार जो एबोड मीन्स रही बास करवा. The place noun, verb नुह, बासस्थान. The place जो place कथा कही where somebody lives, घर. Generally house को एबोड कहती. Homeless peoples of no fixed abode. जार घर ना तार कौन सी होमलेस पीपुल, जार माने जार घर थी लोकंर किसी एबोड ना, बासस्थान ना, जोठी रे से बासस्थान. विदाउट नो परमानेंट होम, तांकर कौन सी घर ना. सो एवरी प्लेस इज देयर होम. यू आर द मोस्ट वेलकम टू माई हम्बल एबोड. यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम. वेलकम मीन्स यू कैन कम टू माई हाउस. यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम टू माई हम्बल एबोड. एबोड मीन्स घर. सो विल प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड, दैट इज abolish. When it is verb, that means something to officially end is a law of system. Abolish माने उठे दबा. Something is officially end कर दबा. Officially end is a law. It's a law, a system or institution. गोटे law को, नियमों को, गोटे system को और institution को. Institution माने गोटे what is called teaching institution हो, education institution हो, जे कौन सी law हो, नियम हो, ताको उठे दबा. उठे देले कौन हो? It is abolish. Abolish means उठे दबा. When it is verb, look at the example. This tax should be abolished. This GST tax should be abolished. जे कौन सी any this tax should be abolished. Abolish होगा दरकार. Abolish माने उठी जावा दरकार. It is a verb. Then we will proceed to noun. Abolition. Abolition माने कौन? It is this tax should be abolished. And ऐसे जो मैंने दो तालबेस आसीबो. Abolitionist, was, she, तालबेस दंतेस नु. Abolition. Abolition कौन? When it is noun, it is uncountable noun, nothing. The ending of a law, systems or institution. Abolition of slavery. Abolition of slavery means माने दासत्व को उठेबा. The abolition of slavery. Then we'll proceed to next word, that is abolitionist. GA, the person who is in favor of abolition something. जो व्यक्ति महात्मा गांधी कौन करथिले? जाति प्रथा उठेइथिले नाही. कला गोरा भेदभाव, what is called white and black distinction. This is called, he is called abolitionist. Abolitionist means a person who is in favor of abolition of something. माने जे उच्छेद को बेसी भल पाए व्यक्ति, से व्यक्ति को कौन कह abolitionist. महात्मा गांधी is also abolitionist for what is called forward called black and white distinction. Then we will proceed to another word, that is called admirable. Admirable means extremely unpleasant and causing disgust. Extremely unpleasant and causing disgust. So synonym is appealing and disgusting. Synonym is appealing and disgusting. So this judge described the attack as a the judge described the attack as an abominate crime. The judge described the attack as an abominate crime. Abominate means what is called? It's a appealing, very. Judge described the attack as abominate crime. Abominate crime means extremely unpleasant and appealing, disgusting. So then we will proceed to the next sentence. That is next example. We were served the most abominable coffee. That is disgusting. The most disgusting coffee we are served. आमको दियागला कौन? The most abominable. Admirable. Here is I think there is mistake. Admirable coffee. What is called? Here also same mistake I have done. Admirable coffee. Admirable means the most. We are served the most admirable coffee. So look at here is a spelling mistake. A not B, it's a D. Admirable crime. So the judge described the attack is a admirable crime. We were served the most admirable coffee. That means disgusting. Then we will proceed to the abominate. Abominate is a verb. Abominate means not used in a present progressive tense because it is a stative verb. Means emotion, feeling hatred and disgust. गोटे घृणा सृष्टि करिबा. So he is I will say suppose he is an abominate person because of his personality. He is a bad. So I will say he is an abominate person. I hatred him because of his racistic attitude. I hatred him. I abominate him because of his racistic attitude. Then we will come to this noun, abomination. Abomination means a thing that causes disgust and hatred, considering extremely offensive. So I will say suppose right distinction between what is called class. It's also abomination things. So we'll proceed. I will read in the next class some words in the next class. Thank you. See you then.